go to Crysendo and select the earpiece that you want. For me, it was the protein leather because it is synthetic. This is the original one. This is the original one, and this is the new one. You can see that this has more smaller diameter and this has larger diameter. So now these are the old ones. You can see the condition, but you can see that these have smaller margins which you have to fit into that gap, and these are the new ones. These have larger margin which you need to fit into this small gap, so you'll have to stretch it and struggle it a bit. There's a cut which you can use. Once you are done, this is how it will look. If you do find this video useful, like it and share it. Thanks. Until next time.